Okay, line 23A, 18, part 1, spin, Petri nets, Promela, Metalanguage, alien UFO, blueprint, Equations Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And let's go back this a bit. So this is going to talk about a few things here. Okay, I can't make it go back. Okay, so spin verification, Promela files, test directory, distribution, shell archive, Petri nets, model, mechanically ancient math equations, astronauts, alien messages. Line 17, T4B, math equations, NASA space, HIP, bit, bool, byte, PID, short, int, unsigned, predefined, data type, syntax, Promela, analyzing logical, consistently, concurrent systems, keyword research, line 23, Wow Seti, data part 1 and 2. Part 1 of 2, sorry. So July 2012, quote from blogs. Spin verification examples and exercises. Included in this memo are some verification exercises that can help new users to get acquainted with spin. Few example models for standard verification problems are included at the end. All examples are also available as Promela files in the test directory of the spin distribution. They are bundled in the shell archive test examples in the main distribution. Spinroot.com. And this is a 5 verification Petri nets. It's often easier to build a little verification model and mechanically verify that it is to write or check a manual proof of correctness. Okay. That's with a hanging state. Petri nets are relatively easy to model as Promela verification models. A Promela model for the net in figure 4, for instance, shown below. So when I saw the Petri net, it reminds me of ancient math. And this is the direction that they used to do their math equations. From here to here, and then across to here to here, and then those 3 ways. I'm not sure, but that's how they used to do their multiplication and division and stuff. January 9, 2012, 5:36 p.m. My thoughts: this is the same type of way that I deciphered the equations in the Wow signal to see if they hold any kind of meaning. So I went from this direction up to here, and then this direction up to here. These would be numbers. So instead of us adding 5 plus 9 equals 14, it would be 5 and 9. I don't know how it looks, but anyways, you'd have to look at it. I deciphered the equations in the Wow signal to see if they hold any kind of meaning. Everything I find is in relation to components found in the NASA spaceship. I check each one to see how they are related and make notes on here for all you to see. Now, again, this is done January 9, 2012. This is 2 years later. This is when I originally began the data. It was back in December 2011, January 2012. So you can see that a lot of it has come true. And this is basically talking about things that I started to see in the data when I started working on it. Everything I find is in relation to components found in a NASA spaceship. I check each one to see how they are related and make notes on here for all of you to see. Many things tend to repeat themselves. When that happens, you need to pay attention to those things, for they are part of the overall alien build a fast UFO spaceship idea. Quote from blog: name, that's the names there, syntax, type name. Description: there are 7 predefined integer data, so those are all different data names. Okay, and spinroot.com again. So the data continues in the next video. Thanks for watching. And actually part 2 is in the next video.